All right, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So this is Simone right here. This is her business. Homemade cakes and desserts. We got everything set up at the trunk or treat, right? Beautiful. This is probably one of the nicest pop-ups I've ever seen. Everything's decorated beautifully. So we also got the banana pudding. So I'm gonna try that. Check that out. It's gonna be really nice. Do great things with your business. Welcome to the Champions Playbook business consulting firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. If you are not using business partnerships to grow your business sales, then you are missing out on thousands of dollars every week. Join our free newsletter, Winners Business Partnerships. We will show you how businesses are using partnerships to grow and scale their business, sales, and how you can too. We also have an exclusive business community, the Secret Sales Growth Club Silver. This is an exclusive club that provides you with access to businesses and entrepreneurs that you can partner with to multiply your business sales. You will also get extras like exclusive Silver Club only interviews, weekly sales training, access to exclusive Silver member-only events. Just go to thechampionsplaybooktcp.com to sign up for the newsletter and the Secret Sales Growth Club Silver at the top and bottom of our homepage. We look forward to helping you multiply the sales of your business. All right, what business experts doing? Create great partnerships. Amazing business habits. So right here we're at the Trunk or Treat event, Lancaster, California. A lot of great businesses out here doing a lot of positive things, right? So let's check them out, see exactly what they got going on. Candy and all these things for the youth. Very powerful, very positive. What we like to see. All right. Very important, very important. Got Jersey Mike subs out here. All right. Doing very positive things with the candy. All right. Got the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce out here. A lot of different food options, of course. Of course. Hispanic Chamber right here. Our barbecue restaurant. A lot of different vendors. Check out what everybody's doing. Cordos. Check them out. They got going on. Very powerful, very powerful. We know them. Love what they represent as a company. Love what they got going on for the community. For sure. Check them out. Go online and check them out. Get a chance, go online and check them out. Check out Cordos. What they got going on. They got something powerful going on. I see everybody out here in their costumes, enjoying the event. Very positive, very positive. Commerce. It's always good to see. With the whole tent, whole everything out here. Got Vicky, the CEO. What's going on, Vicky? Happy Halloween. What's going on? So we have the whole Chambers of Commerce. All right, so we're gonna let them get their candy. AV Chambers of Commerce is out here. Always beautiful to see them.
Look at that! Wow! Love it!
All right.
Ooh, look at this here. Wow! Candies up here. Spring truck. Wow! You guys don't want any candy? No candy? He already trick-or-treated. Okay. That is awesome. We got one. Wow.
All right. Join the chamber. If you want to grow your business, it's amazing. You're in the Antelope Valley. Make sure to join for sure. Okay? Make sure. All right. What's the next event, Vicky? What's coming up next?
We have our parade.
Okay.
Christmas parade in the city of Palmdale. They'll be starting on 52nd Street East.
Okay.
And they'll go on Avenue S, and then we'll go to 55, and we'll end at Dominic Masari Park.
Okay.
Hope you can participate. Go to theavchambers.org. You can put your application there. So don't wait because it's gonna sell out.
Awesome. So she's letting everybody know, don't wait.
Yes.
Sign up now.
Sign up now.
Promote your business. It's gonna be huge.
Yes.
What date does this happen on?
It's December 10th.
December 10th. Okay, so we got a little over a month. Let's get ready.
Right.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vicky.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right. So as you see, AV Chambers of Commerce is out here. Bam. Got the whole tent out here. Got the staff. We love to see it. Right here, we have Prestige Law. So they're out here with their business. Hey, how you guys doing? Good. Name is Elite. That company called the Champions Playbook Business Consulting Firm. So we just come out here, see what all the businesses are doing, and see how they're involving themselves in the community. You guys have a nice. Where are you guys at? Do you guys have an office out here?
We have one in Palmdale. We have one also in Beverly.
Okay. Okay, where's the one in Palmdale located?
Off of M4. Yeah. Wait, you're not giving M4.
Gotcha. Can I get a call?
Of course.
Awesome.
That's the attorney, the founder as well.
Okay. And what do you guys specialize in?
Personal injury.
Personal injury law. Awesome. Okay. So they're out here. Got a beautiful table set up. Got the candy for the kids. So this is beautiful for the Halloween time. We want to thank you guys for supporting the Antelope Valley community and everything you guys do. Thank you. Do you have a card too yourself?
I do.
Okay. Perfect. I'll make sure to send you a copy of everything.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. How do you pronounce it again? The name of the company.
Prestige Law Firm.
Okay, so Prestige Law Firm. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
That's right. This Prestige Law Firm out here. And they also have their custom pop-up with all the branding. That's right. Oh, candy too? Let's see. We'll just at least do one Snickers. We're not supposed to, but
There we go.
we're not supposed to. There we go. Oh, and the gummies. The gummy one. Okay, so we got gummies, everything. So how powerful is that? So they got the dentist, Snow Orthodontics, Farmers Insurance. We don't really have as much time today to do everything we want to do. So we'll do like a little skim through of everything. All right. Different businesses out here. Trunk or Treat. Got a car show going on the back. Gotta check that out. All right. Down. That's how you do your events for your community. That's how you do your events. Make them positive, make them powerful. Make sure your events are positive, make sure they're powerful. Make sure they're powerful. Live entertainment. The live entertainment. Thank you for checking it out. Thank you for checking the event out. Stay positive, stay powerful. And end here off of Cordo's, as we should. As we should. What's the pickup? Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.